Hello, my name is Patrick Noel, and today I'm going to talk to you on how to use the real-time mode of our OTDR on the T-BERD 4000 using our Smart Test application. So you follow all the guidance according to the inspection of the fiber. So you make sure that you inspect the local port on the OTDR and the patch panel port where you're going to be connecting. Inspect the patch cords, ends, and then you can connect all the fiber together. Now, once all the fiber is connected to the unit, now I will use the Smart Test icon. So that will bring me into the config file page in which I can choose either Association or Express. It doesn't really matter in my case because I want to use the Expert OTDR. So I would load any of the two profiles, and then I would select which wavelength I want to use for the real-time measurement. And depending on the OTDR that you have, you may have 1310, 1550, and or 1625, 1650, depending on the model that you have. Now, you can select the meter distance unit if you have a launch cable or not, and if you want the alarm. Now you see at the bottom of the page, I have two icons. I can do either a normal start test that would do a sweep and then do all the measurements. And in my case here, I want to do a real-time measurement, so I just go with real-time. While the configuration of the OTDR is done, you have a little bit of message saying auto configuration in progress. Now, right now, you see that the measurements are currently running. So if I use the automatic zoom, then I can get the OTDR full screen, and I have all the events that are shown directly on the screen. So now, if I want to do any measurements while I'm on real time, all I have to do is I select the measurement icon here, and when it does that, it will restart the configuration, and then I'll be ready to do measurements. In this case here, the last time I used it, I was on the reflectance. So you have multiple things that you can test in real time. So the loss, the ORL, and the reflectance. In this case, since I'm in reflectance, I can choose a cursor and then put it at the right spot. So I will have the reflectance amount for that specific event, right? So depending on where I put my cursor, I will have my reflectance measurement. Now, if I want to do a ORL measurement, then my B cursor will give me the ORL of the full link here from the A cursor to the B cursor. And if I want to do a loss measurement, then now I have the loss for the full link straight on the screen. Right? So those are mainly the different types of measurements that you can do while you are in real time. Now you can stop the measurement. And now, of course, right now, since I'm in Smart Link, it doesn't really show me anything here. If I go into the trace, I have my standard trace on the screen. Now, since the real time has stopped and it was in real time, I don't have any measurements. So if I wanted to have all the normal OTDR measurement, I would use the start button here and have the standard sweep with all the details of all the events. But if I want to just real time, then I just use the real-time button here. So hopefully that is what you were looking for and helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next videos.